The Samsung Galaxy S10 is a fantastic looking device, but there is one feature that no one ever talks about in the videos, and this is the crypto wallet function. You now wonder why you would need that, but don't click away and listen to these guys which are big time in crypto, and I've interviewed them on the Bitmain mining conference in Georgia.
So where do you think will Bitcoin go in the next 5 years?
So there's a chart that keeps circulating on WhatsApp, a lot of WhatsApp between believers and influencers. So I strongly believe Bitcoin is going to be it's going to rise according with the difficulty. In the next 5 years, I see it between $500,000 and $750,000 for one Bitcoin.
All right. So the last question: where do you see Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin in the next 5 years?
I think that Bitcoin Cash is going to get more and more adoption around the world as cash, and I have a hard time seeing where BTC can get more adoption other than some sort of speculative asset. But if you don't have some use case, there's not much of a reason to speculate on it other than you feel that maybe somebody else is going to buy it from you later. But Bitcoin Cash is actually useful as cash, so I'm much more bullish on Bitcoin Cash for the exact same reasons I was bullish about Bitcoin to begin with, because Bitcoin Cash still has those characteristics the coin everyone's calling Bitcoin no longer does.
So a lot of the big players believe that Bitcoin, or any other shitty rip-off currency like my buddy Roger is talking about, will once take over the financial system and change the way on how we use money. And even Samsung, the biggest smartphone manufacturer, thinks that crypto is not dead and will still be a thing in the future. That's why the new Galaxy S10 has a fundamental function which makes dealing with your cryptos easier. To understand how it works, I will quickly explain what a crypto wallet actually is and how it works. A cryptocurrency wallet is a secure digital wallet used to store, send and receive digital currency like Bitcoin. Most of the coins, they have an official wallet. In order to use your preferred cryptocurrency, you will need to use a cryptocurrency wallet that supports it. While the show was stolen by the unveiling of the Galaxy Fold, a foldable smartphone that starts at a whopping $1,980, cryptocurrency enthusiasts had to settle down for a paragraph which has been released in an official press release on the Galaxy S10, published by Samsung today, and it reads: Security. The Galaxy S10 is built with defense-grade Samsung NOx, as well as a secure storage backed by hardware, which houses your private keys for blockchain-enabled mobile services. But to understand what that actually is, you need to understand what private keys are and how they work. A private key in the context of Bitcoin is a secret number that allows Bitcoins to be spent. Every Bitcoin wallet contains one or more private keys, which are saved in the wallet file. Because the private key is the ticket that allows someone to spend Bitcoins, it is very important that these are kept secure. Private keys can be kept on computer files, but in some cases are also short enough that they can be printed on paper. That's what I used to do, but well, we all know, paper is also not secure. Someone can steal it, the color could fade or whatever. So Samsung was looking for a solution to save your private keys securely. For now, it remains unclear whether the S10 will have a native cryptocurrency wallet of its own or just feature a technology that can be used by wallet developers to improve the security of the stored private keys on the phone. In any case, it shows that Samsung is indeed bringing some blockchain functionality to its smartphones, as this has been rumored for a while now. Currently, there are 2 smartphones on the market geared specifically towards cryptocurrency and blockchain enthusiasts. The Exodus 1, released by the mainstream smartphone manufacturer HTC, and the Finay, released by Sirin Labs, a blockchain-focused firm. Both phones feature hardware solutions designed for safe storage of private keys, with the Finay even featuring an embedded cold storage wallet. Anyway, I think that this is the first step to mass adoption, and this proves that crypto is here to stay. If Samsung is doing it, it won't take long for Huawei, Apple and others to follow. And then guys, we will definitely see crypto going up. So if you have some spare money you don't care about, it might be a good idea to invest it in any cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So guys, and just that you know that I'm not talking any bullshit, so I'm actually in crypto since 2013. I've owned over 800 Bitcoins in 2013, so which would be now a lot of money. Also, I sold last year over 10,000 miners with my mining company, and I think crypto is here to stay. So it will be huge in the next years, but trust me guys, until 2020, crypto will have a very hard time. But until that guys, keep my words in your brain and always have a look at the market. So there will be a good point where you can invest some spare money into Bitcoin, and then it will be something which will be probably very good in the future. So if you're also into cryptos or want to know more about the Galaxy S10, then write a comment down below. If you like this video, then please like it, and if you want to see more, then please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. As always, I'm Steven from Tech Magnet, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a nice day and bye.